Hello friends! Welcome back to our channel, where we're spreading some festive cheer today. If you've been wondering how to make your home feel like a winter wonderland this holiday season, you've come to the right place. But today, we're focusing on a slightly unconventional space, the bathroom. Yes, that's right, we're going to talk about Christmas decorating ideas for bathrooms. Before we dive into the decorating tips, you might be wondering, why should I decorate the bathroom for Christmas? Well, why not? The bathroom is one of the most frequently used spaces in your home, so why not infuse it with the holiday spirit? Plus, if you're hosting guests, it's a small but impactful way to make them feel welcome and festive. So, let's get started with some fantastic ideas to transform your bathroom into a Christmas paradise. The first step to decorating any space for Christmas is choosing a color scheme. For a bathroom, you'll want to keep it cohesive with the rest of your home's decor, but feel free to add a splash of holiday flair. Classic Christmas colors like red and green work great, but don't be afraid to get creative. Consider a winter wonderland theme with icy blues and silvers, or even a rustic farmhouse look with warm whites and natural wood tones. One of the easiest ways to give your bathroom a festive makeover is by changing out your shower curtain. Look for one with Christmas motifs like snowflakes, reindeer, or Santa Claus. It's an instant transformation. Swap out your regular towels and bath mats for ones that match your chosen color scheme or feature Christmas patterns. You'll find plenty of options with holly leaves, candy canes, or Christmas trees. Don't forget to add some holiday cheer to your toilet. You can find toilet seat covers and rugs designed specifically for Christmas. It's a fun and unexpected touch that your guests will appreciate. Replace your everyday soap dispenser with a holiday-themed one. You can even make your own by adding a festive ribbon or wrapping paper to a plain dispenser. Now, let's talk about the smaller but equally important details that will take your bathroom Christmas decor to the next level. Scented candles and holiday fragrances like cinnamon, pine, or gingerbread can create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Place them on the countertop or near the bathtub, but always remember to keep them away from flammable materials. Miniature wreaths or garlands can add a touch of Christmas charm to your bathroom mirror or vanity. Hang them with removable adhesive hooks to avoid any damage. Hang some shatterproof ornaments from the shower curtain rings, towel bars, or even a tension rod above the bathtub. They catch the light beautifully and make your bathroom feel instantly festive. Print out some Christmas-themed art or quotes and frame them for your bathroom walls. You can easily find free printables online, or if you're feeling artistic, create your own. Let's not forget about the small yet impactful touches that can really make your bathroom feel like it's part of Santa's workshop. Sprinkle some faux snow on the windowsills or around the base of your bathroom accessories. It's a simple touch that adds a wintry feel to the space. Invest in some holiday-scented air fresheners or essential oil diffusers. Scents like cinnamon, fir, or peppermint can instantly transport you to a winter wonderland. Swap out your regular hand towels for ones with Christmas-themed embroidery or patterns. They're a functional decoration that your guests will use and appreciate. If you have the space, consider placing a small artificial Christmas tree in your bathroom. You can decorate it with miniature ornaments and tiny lights for an adorable touch. If your bathroom has a countertop or vanity, this is a great place to add some holiday magic. Place a decorative tray on your countertop and arrange holiday-themed items on it. This could include a scented candle, a small vase of fresh holly or evergreen, and a festive soap dispenser. Create a mini Christmas village on a corner of your countertop. You can find miniature houses and figurines to set up a charming winter scene. Roll up some holiday hand towels and place them in a festive basket. It's a functional and decorative way to add Christmas spirit to your bathroom. Don't forget about the windows in your bathroom. Christmas-themed window clings are easy to apply and remove. They add a playful touch to your bathroom windows and let in the natural light. If you have curtains in your bathroom, replace the tiebacks with festive ones. Look for tiebacks with jingle bells or holiday shapes like stars and candy canes. Now that we've covered all the major decorating ideas, here are a few final tips to make your Christmas bathroom decor truly magical. Set the mood with some festive tunes. Create a Christmas playlist and play it softly in the background. It'll make every bathroom visit feel like a holiday party. If you're hosting guests during the holiday season, consider adding some guest amenities like extra toothbrushes, toothpaste, and holiday-scented hand lotion. It's a thoughtful touch that your visitors will appreciate. Add a personal touch to your bathroom decor by including some DIY decorations. Handmade ornaments, a custom wreath, or a hand-painted sign can make your bathroom truly unique. When you have friends and family visiting for the holidays, they're likely to use your bathroom. By decorating it, you create a warm and welcoming atmosphere that sets a festive tone for the entire visit. Christmas decorations in your living room or dining area set the stage, but why stop there? By adding festive touches to your bathroom, you extend the holiday magic throughout your home. When your guests enter your bathroom and find it beautifully decorated, it creates memorable moments and a sense of joy. It's these little details that people remember and cherish. Every great bathroom Christmas makeover starts with a theme. This theme will guide your color choices, decorations, and overall aesthetic. Let's explore some popular Christmas themes for bathrooms. The classic Christmas color scheme never goes out of style. Red towels, green accents, and traditional ornaments will bring that timeless holiday feel to your bathroom. Transform your bathroom into a serene winter wonderland with icy blues, silvers, and whites. Think snowflakes, frosty decor, and faux snow to create a chilly, enchanting atmosphere. If you prefer a cozy and rustic vibe, go for natural wood tones, warm whites, and burlap accents. Add some twinkle lights and mason jar decorations for that farmhouse charm. If you're near the coast, consider a nautical Christmas theme. Use seashells, starfish, and beachy colors like aqua and sandy beige to give your bathroom a coastal holiday feel. Create the feeling of Santa's workshop with bright reds, greens, and whimsical elf and Santa Claus decor. Toy soldier figurines and candy cane stripes can also add to the theme. Embrace the sweet side of Christmas with a candy cane-themed bathroom. Red and white stripes, candy cane ornaments, and peppermint-scented candles will do the trick. Now that you've chosen your theme, it's time to start decorating the basic elements of your bathroom. Let's start with the essentials. One of the most significant visual elements in your bathroom is the shower curtain. Swap out your regular one for a Christmas-themed curtain. Look for designs featuring snowflakes, reindeer, or Santa Claus. It's a simple yet effective transformation. Coordinate your towels and bath mats with your theme. Look for towels with Christmas patterns or colors that match your scheme. Consider monogramming or personalizing them for an extra special touch. Don't forget the toilet area. Invest in a festive toilet seat cover and matching rug. You can find designs with Santa's hat, snowmen, or even humorous holiday sayings. Your guests will get a kick out of it. Elevate your bathroom decor by swapping out your regular soap dispenser for one that screams Christmas. You can find holiday-themed soap dispensers in stores or get creative and make your own with ribbons and wrapping paper. Now that you've tackled the bathroom basics, let's move on to accessory decorations. These small touches can make a big impact. Create a warm and inviting atmosphere with scented candles and holiday fragrances like cinnamon, pine, or gingerbread. Place them safely on countertops or shelves, away from flammable materials. Miniature wreaths or garlands can add a touch of Christmas charm to your bathroom mirror or vanity. Secure them with removable adhesive hooks to avoid any damage to surfaces. Add some sparkle and shine by hanging shatterproof ornaments from your shower curtain rings, towel bars, or a tension rod above the bathtub. These catch the light beautifully and bring instant holiday cheer. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing decorative ideas.